Okay, hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about class 9th unit 2 exercise 2.1. All right. See, our first question is that we need to find out whether the polynomials is in one variable or not. See, when we talk about variables are the terms which vary in the sense can take any values. See, if you talk about the first question here itself, it says 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Here 4 would remain 4, 3 would remain 3, 7 would remain 7. But x can take any values. See, if x is equals to 1, it would become 4 minus 3 plus 7, 8. If x is equals to 2, it would become 16 minus 6 plus 7. So it will be 17. So it means x can take any value. So x is the variable here. Now we need to find out whether the polynomials are in one variable or not. Now see, here's only one variable x. We are taking values only for x. Suppose it was 4t plus 3x. So 4 and 3 are same, but we would take x is equals to 1, t is equals to 1, we would get 7. If we take x is equals to 1, t is equals to 2, we would get 11. So here two variables are there. X is different, t is different. So this is in two variables and not one variable. So that's how we find out whether the given terms to us are in one variable or not. If you look into first question, which is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. There's only one variable xx. So it is in one variable. Next we talk about y square plus root 2. Only y. This is also one variable. If we talk about third term, 3 root t plus t root 2. Only t term. This is also in one variable. Fourth we have y plus 2 upon y. Here also only y. So this is also one variable. But if we talk about this, our fifth part, which is x to the power 10 plus y cube plus t to the power 50. Here x is different, y is different, t is different. So this is not in one variable. This is not in one variable. All right. Next, if we see, this is done. Now next question is about, see, whenever you're solving any question, you're supposed to know what is the question asking from you. Once you'll break the question, you'll realize what is happening, what you're supposed to write, what you're supposed to answer. It will be very easy for you to solve the question. All right. Here we're supposed to find coefficient of x square. So we need to know what is meant by coefficient. Coefficient of what? X square. The coefficient of x square simply means something that is multiplied by x square. Simple. Something that is in multiplication with x square is the coefficient of x square. If you see into first term, what is there in multiplication with x square? X square is multiplied by 1, right? So here coefficient is 1. If we look into the second part, which is 2 minus x square plus x cube. Here x square is multiplied by what? It's minus 1 into x square. So here minus 1 is what? Coefficient. If we look into third part, it is pi by 2 x square plus x. What is multiplied by x square? Pi by 2. So this is the coefficient. In fourth part, it is root 2x minus 1. But we're supposed to write coefficient for x square. There's no x square term. So 0 is the coefficient. Because see, if we break this down, it can be written as root 2x minus 1 plus 0. And this can be written as root 2x minus 1 plus 0 into x square, because 0 multiplied by anything is equals to 0. So coefficient of x square is 0. Alright. Third, we need to write down binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. Before writing this down, we need to know what is meant by saying degree. See, as I've already mentioned, break the question, you'll get the answer. So here it is asking us to write binomial of degree 35. So first of all, we need to know what is meant by saying degree. Degree is nothing else but simply highest power. highest power in the sense of variable. Suppose we have any term, say y square plus 2. Here our variable is y and its highest power is 2. If it was y square plus y plus 1, so here the variable is y, and here y has two powers, right? 1 and 2, and highest is 2, so degree is 2. So that's how we find it out. So we're supposed to write binomial of degree 35. Binomial degree 35 and one is degree 100, but this is binomial and this is monomial. Now we need to look into two terms, but first we need to know what is binomial. Here bi means 2, mono means 1. So 2 means 2 terms are there with degree 35. So see, take any variable of your random choice. Say z. 35 degree means z to the power 35. 2 terms means plus, you can write anything of your choice. Plus 12, or you can say z to the power 35 plus z, or you can say t to the power 35 plus 18t, anything that you wish to write. These all are binomials with degree 35. Next we have degree 100, monomial. Monomials means only one term will be x to the power 100, b to the power 100, t to the power 100, anything of your choice. Alright. Next is we are supposed to find out degree of each polynomial. So I hope you already know about degree. That degree is the highest power of a variable. So see, if you look into 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x, here we know what is the variable. Variable is x, and what all power it has? 3, 2 and 1. 3, 2 and 1, and highest is 3, right? If we talk about second term, it's 4 minus y square. So 4 minus y square means y highest power is 2. Third we have 5t minus root 7. Highest power of t is 1. So here degree is 1. And last we have 3. See, this 3 is a constant term. Variable, what is the variable here? 0. 0 variable means power. What is the power? 0. So degree is 0. Alright. So we are done with this. Next we need to see whether the following terms are linear, quadratic and cubic. We know the degree. Degree helps us to know whether they are linear, they are quadratic or they are cubic. How do we find out that? See, if degree is 1, it's linear. If degree is 2, it's quadratic. And if degree is 3, it's cubic. As simple as that. Alright. Now see, in the first question, we have x square plus x. What is the degree here? 2. So 2 degree means it's quadratic. Second part, x minus x cube. What is the degree here? 3. 3 means cubic. Third, we have y plus y square plus 4. What is the degree here? 2. 2 means quadratic. Fourth is 1 plus x. What is the degree here? 1. So this is linear. Next we have 3t. This is also linear. R square. Degree 2. So this is quadratic. Next we have 7x cube. Degree 3. So this is cubic. That's it. Alright, we are done with the first unit of class 9. That's all about it. Thank you.